Gentlewoman from Washington is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'm pleased to yield 2 minutes to the 31st pro-life woman, Julia Letlow.
Gentlewoman is recognized.
Madam Speaker, I rise to offer an amendment to this bill. However, before I talk about the amendment, I think it is important for the House to note that the legislation before us is perhaps the most extreme abortion measure that Congress has ever considered. It will overturn countless protections for the unborn that states have already put into place, including those in my home state of Louisiana. As a woman, and most importantly, a mother of 2 children, I feel uniquely qualified to speak about this. I've experienced firsthand the miracle of life and know the incredible intricacy of how a child is formed in the womb. Intimately knowing the special bond that grows between a mother and a child over those 9 months, I do not understand how we can pass this bill, a law that will allow an abortion to be performed up until the actual moment of birth, despite the fact that the child has a fully developed heart and can feel pain. The amendment I am bringing forward is the text of the Born Alive Abortion Survivors Protection Act, in which my distinguished colleague from Missouri, Ann Wagner, has been an outstanding leader. This amendment is simple, straightforward, and the right thing to do. It would ensure that newborn children who survive an abortion are given the same crucial, life-saving medical care that any other infant would receive. The most transformational moment in my life was when I held my 2 children in my arms for the first time. I've always considered myself to be pro-life, but I never truly understood the sanctity of life until that moment. I can't imagine why anybody would intentionally deny a precious child taking those first beautiful, beautiful breaths of life, the very care that would keep them alive. This language has received bipartisan support in the past, and I hope my colleagues across the aisle will join us in voting in favor of this important measure that will truly save the lives of countless children. Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to include the text of the amendment in the record immediately prior to the vote on the motion to recommit. Thank you. I yield back.
Without objection, so ordered. Does the gentlelady from Colorado continue to reserve?
Yes, ma'am.
Gentlewoman from Washington.